The future of amateur radio just got a whole lot brighter. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of amateur radio. Today, we're talking about the LDMOS Revolution and its impact on our hobby. From linear amplifiers to new builds, we'll cover it all. Builder Idaho is a name you should know, especially if you're into DIY radio projects. Their work has inspired a new generation of builders and operators. We'll take a closer look at their approach and what makes it so unique. So, what exactly is LDMOS and how does it work? We'll break down the technology and its benefits for amateur radio applications. From increased power to improved efficiency, LDMOS is changing the game. Our focus today is on Tribute Vol 9, Builder Idaho, the Silicon Frontier. This comprehensive guide is available for just $9.99. It's a must-have resource for anyone looking to build their own LDMOS-based linear amplifier. The LDMOS revolution is here, and it's time to join in. With the right knowledge and tools, you can take your amateur radio experience to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your skills and equipment. Full build guide is linked below.